Meaning of distillery.
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 Distillery. A distillery is a place where alcoholic beverages, such as whiskey, rum, or gin, are made. The process involves heating a fermented liquid mixture to vaporize and then condense the alcohol, resulting in a high-proof spirit. Distilleries typically use specialized equipment, such as stills and fermentation tanks, to carry out the process. The resulting spirits can be aged, blended, or flavored to create unique and distinct products. Distilleries can range in size from small artisanal operations to large industrial complexes, and they play an important role in the production of many popular alcoholic drinks.